Hello, thank you so much for watching. My name is Yusel and welcome to my YouTube channel, Teacher Use Work From Home. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to share a company that is currently looking for people to work as a chat operators. And this company is a very easy apply company. So you guys are going to be able to apply without any problem. You're not going to spend a lot of time to apply at this company. And the company I'm sharing with you today is going to be chat operators. This is a company currently looking for people to work from home as a chat operator. What you're going to be doing is that you're going to be responding to messages into your home via your cell phone, your tablet, or your PC. So you guys can always work for this company. If you feel like you're interested about this company, make sure you watch this video till the end so you can know more about this company. And at the end of this video, I will leave the website link for you guys to be able to apply for this company. So let's not losing our time and jump to this company. The company I'm sharing with you today is going to be chat operators. And then as you can see here, it is say that want it now, which means that they are hiring people to start working immediately. And this is a vacancies that exist for American only, and you can apply and start working immediately. And you are going to start working by the hours that suit you or the best flexible schedule that is going to be good for you guys. So now you can see that they say here, work from home is a dream come true at this company. So you can see all the quotes that are passing down there. You can see that they are talking about, you know, all of the slogans that they have, you see. And now they said it's a flexible way to earn additional income. No experience is needed to work for this company, and we are looking and seeking open-minded home admin workers to answer type messages for our chat websites. All hours and days are available. Earn 0.13 cents and 0.19 cents per every message that you apply, okay, or that you respond using your cell phone, tablet, or your PC. You can start working part-time or full-time, and there is no experience necessary to work for this company, and you can also start working immediately. And they say here that we have a constant flow of messages for you, ensuring you will never be short of work or the ability to earn an income in this flexible line of work. So which means that you will always be busy. There will always be a lot of new messages coming through, and you will be a chat operator. You will be answering to all of those messages, okay? So you can start working money by today as a chat operator. You can earn additional income and independent from the thriving chat industry. Chat jobs offer a fun, flexible, incredible way to earn additional income. What's more, we pay via PayPal, guys. They pay per PayPal and they pay every week. Okay, guys, this is something which is really guaranteed. Whether you want to work a little or a lot, so you have to apply by today. If we scroll down there, we might see some testimonials about some people that were working for this company before, and from there you guys can apply for this company for it. But listen here, this is a T-cher fits in perfectly with school run routine and other activities. I can literally work the hours that suit me. Jessica, I love the fact there is work for me. Whenever I log into the site, I make quiet and decent income each week from this line of work. For Ashley, I was always dubious about home-based work, but now I love it. I don't have a boss breathing down my neck all day. For Susan, I've found I can earn a full-time income from this. I love the freedom of flexibility. I also find it quite fun and interesting. And guys, if you have some questions about the requirements that they require for this position, you can come here. You see what they say, that due to the nature of the website network, you must be open-minded, which means that you should be very flexible in your mind, and your mind should be really open so you can be able to answer the messages very easy without any problem. You must have good grammar and fluent in English, and you should be able to text because you're not going to be speaking. So what you're going to be doing, instead of typing the contraction form of you or, that means you or here with the Y or U, A or E. So you need to write it very, very perfectly. And you're not going to be using any emojis, and you must be able to answer a minimum of 75 messages over 3 weeks. Payment is weekly to your PayPal account. This is a self-employed contractor position. You will be responsible for your own tax, and you should be 23 years old or older so you can be able to apply for this position. And when you click on the apply button, it's going to take you down there. They're going to ask you for your first name, and you need to make sure that you write your first name very, very good with the right spelling, and your last name, and your date of birth, and your country where you're located, your email address, and what hours and days can you offer. And then after that, you're going to hit submit, and they're gonna take you to a confirmation message, and anything that they are going to need from you, any information, they will keep talking to you via your email. Guys, it was a pleasure of presenting this company for to you guys. If you're interested about this company, if you're interested about working from your home at your flexible, and you can work for this company, go ahead and apply for this company right now. And remember to like this video, share this video to all of your friends. I will always be bringing new company for you guys, so you guys can be able to have a job without leaving your home, without going outside. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye.